Understanding German greetings and expressions. In this podcast transcript, we delve into German greetings and expressions, focusing on the nuances of asking and responding to the common question, wie geht's? How are you? From formal to informal situations, we explore the various ways to inquire about someone's well-being in the German language. Formal situations. Lection 8, Stat mit Formal. In Lection 7, we encounter the formal setting of Stat mit Formal, where we learn the polite ways to inquire about someone's state of being. The podcast emphasizes the importance of addressing individuals with respect, using phrases like wie geht es Ihnen to initiate the conversation. Positive responses. Moving beyond the formalities, the transcript introduces positive responses to the inquiry. Expressions like mir geht es gut and its variations, such as mir geht es sehr gut, are highlighted as affirmative ways to convey one's well-being. Superlatives of well-being. The podcast introduces an array of superlatives to express excellent states of being. From super to wunderbar and ausgezeichnet, learners are encouraged to diversify their vocabulary when responding positively. Negative responses. Exploring the negatives. On the flip side, the transcript doesn't shy away from addressing negative states of well-being. Phrases like mir geht es schlecht and mir geht es sehr schlecht provide learners with the vocabulary needed to express when things are not going well. Intensity of negatives. To add depth to negative expressions, the podcast includes words like misrebell and furchtbar to convey varying degrees of discomfort or unease. Specific situations, health and fatigue. The transcript extends beyond general well-being, touching on specific situations such as health and fatigue. Phrases like ich bin krank, I am sick, and ich bin MD, am tired, equip learners to navigate conversations concerning physical states. Dialogues and interactions. Everyday conversations. To provide context, the podcast includes dialogues illustrating how these expressions are used in everyday conversations. Greetings like hello Maria and polite exchanges, such as Guten Tag, Frau Schmidt, showcase the practical application of the phrases. Expressing gratitude. The importance of expressing gratitude is emphasized, with phrases like dank and dank, gut, serving as polite responses. The podcast encourages learners to reciprocate gratitude in social interactions. In conclusion, this transcript serves as a valuable resource for German learners, offering a comprehensive understanding of greetings and expressions related to well-being. Whether in formal settings or casual dialogues, mastering these phrases is essential for effective communication in the German language.